All right, guys, welcome back. It's Sunday afternoon. It's Colorado time, 2:30. We got about an hour and a half before futures open. Want to get this blueprint out to you before we go into Monday, and I would encourage you to go back and watch last week before going into Friday. We were spot on with it, and I hope it helped you guys make some money. And I hope that the remainder of the week is very profitable. Going forward here, I'm looking at a 1 hour, looking at the ES. Came down, almost got into what I would consider our next target, okay? Showed you this many times. We fell below a 61.8 here. Gives us 85% probability that 88.7 is going to be hit. That puts us at 2569.22 on my radar here, okay? So saying that, we got, I'm actually going to move this T1 here down to there. And that's about 27 points from Friday's close. And then on an upside here on a 1 hour target, if price wants to move up, can see 26.26. That's about 30 points. So the spread being about 30 points. Um, Now, if that breaks, then we can start talking about some other crazy stuff. Okay, let's go over here to the day chart. Let's get the big picture up here. Boom. Here's your low. T3 is obviously going to be right down here, close to, if you want to write this down, 25.35. Okay. If this breaks, if it breaks, this is important. It's important because we are going to make some serious money, whether it's on the way down or when we start buying everywhere. Okay. I saw this unfold when this happened back in February. Okay. So I like to take my chances here. If this can break and we fall to the downside here, then I'm looking for this fresh zone down here at 24.05. Yes, 24.05. 200 points down. All right. This is my target. This is my big term target here. This is where I want to see us touch. Okay. I'm going to go back over here to the 1 hour. Once again, it's a bigger picture just so you can see it. We got T1s up here again, 2626, T2, 2634, T3, 2644 to the upside. But how much sense does it make to bounce around here, guys? We already broke the 76.4, right? We know we have an 85% probability to here. Do we just stop midair and start bouncing? It could happen. It definitely could happen, all right? I've seen it on equity where we just kind of come. So sometimes what I'll do is between the 76.4 and the 88.7 is that if price came down more than 61.8% of this box, then I can count it. Yep, look at that, 61.8 point percent. Can't make that up. It can count as a bounce here. But how much is it going to bounce? All right. So a couple things here. Yeah, I gave you a T1 here, but look at this continuation candle on the hour and look where it just happens to be. It just happens to be right before the 76.4. Those are the kind of bounces you see. All right, in between fibs, is that this can come down, bounce up to the 76.4, mess around, get a lot of people excited, and then just fall down here to reach 25.69. Okay, those are definitely scenarios that can play out tomorrow or tonight. We'll see what kind of range we can get into tonight. Um, if any of you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me or you can post it on the main chat and we can all talk about it tonight later on. In the meantime, enjoy your Sunday.